Hi, welcome to this gentle, guided breathing session where we will relax the nervous system by activating our parasympathetic nervous system state through the exhale. The exhale is what's really connected to the parasympathetic state, and therefore we're really going to emphasize the exhale in this session. As you begin, let's find a comfortable place to sit or lie down so you won't be disturbed and you can practice. My name is Coach Erin. I'll be your guide. I'm a physiologist, breathing and wellness coach, and I work one-on-one with clients to help them manage anxiety and overcome stress. So as you're coming into this practice, just start by thanking yourself, welcoming yourself with kindness as you would a good friend or loved one. Embrace your mind, your body, your heart, your soul, your spirit. Just connecting with love and kindness. Maybe you can bring one hand over the heart, maybe two hands, and just touching that heart center. See how that resonates in your physical body. Bring a smile to your face. Perhaps the words, "I love you," come to mind. Just really loving on yourself. This might feel strange to you. And if it does, it's probably an indicator that you need to do this more. You are your longest lasting relationship in life. And cultivating compassion, love, healing energy towards your physical body, your mind, your spirit, your soul. Really loving yourself is so important for our health. So as you breathe in this loving, kind space, thanking yourself for showing up for your practice today, not criticizing or judging or being harsh or overthinking in the future or even ruminating in the past, but just being here in the physical body, with your breath, being kind and welcoming. And without really changing the breath, just take one more breath here, breathing in and out. Release the smile. If you're still smiling, that's wonderful, but you can release and relax the face now. And whether you're sitting or standing, I want you to feel supported with the ground beneath you. Allow your weight, your body weight, to really sink in and melt into the ground beneath you. You can be soft and strong at the same time. So let those muscles relax. Just feel some of the weight slip away when the tension releases. And I want you to check in with yourself. How are you doing? How are you feeling today? With whatever is going on in your life today or in the evening, wherever you're listening to this, how are you doing? Take some time to answer that question. And then what do you need more of? What do you need more of in your life? Really taking this mindful moment to answer these questions with love and kindness and openness. And then what do you need to release? The exhale really gives us that opportunity to let go and to release. The inhale is all about receiving and stimulating, and the exhale is about releasing, letting go, restoring, grounding, renewing. Now, if you're able to, I want you to start to practice the breathing pattern. So we're going to be working on pace and pattern with our breath work today. So focus on the breathing pattern. I'd like you to inhale and feel your neck and shoulders are relaxed. When you breathe in, the ribs expand out laterally. Your belly gets a nice stretch, your low back gets a nice stretch. Even the pelvic floor opens up a little bit. That's your inhale. And then for the exhale, let's make it longer than the inhale. So start to lengthen out your exhale and try to fully empty. Now, everybody's going to be breathing at a different pace right now. We're really just working on the pattern. So as you inhale through the nose, feel the expansion in your rib cage. Opens up laterally, your belly stretches, your low back stretches. You can even hold your breath there for a moment. Then when you're ready, exhale, either out of the nose or out of the mouth, whatever feels best for you. And really exhale as you fully empty. Go to the end of your breath. Perhaps you hold there as well. So a little bit retention at the top of the breath and a little bit of retention at the bottom. Find your pace. As you inhale through the nose, you feel that stretch. And remember, as you exhale, see if you can fully empty. Get a little bit of a longer exhale. Continue breathing like this. Inhale is a nice stretch. Exhale, everything kind of hugs in towards the midline. You don't have to be aggressive with this. Be gentle. You don't have to force your inhale and you don't have to force your exhale. Just a gentle stretch on the inhale, maybe a slight hold at the top of that breath, and then a slow exhale either out of the nose or out of the mouth and hold at the bottom. I really want you to be self-directed here. Find what pace and pattern feels best for you. Notice if you're breathing a little higher up in the chest. See if you can have that breath go lower into your low back, into your pelvic floor, even your butt area. See if on your inhale you can stretch those areas. If this is new to you, that takes time, and that's okay. But what we're really working on is allowing the respiratory diaphragm to flatten out on the inhale so that we pressurize our systems. We get that stretching sensation from the rib cage down, front, sides, back, and bottom of your body, that whole torso section. That's your inhale. And then your exhale, I want it to be long. I want you to take your time, see how far you can lengthen out that exhale comfortably, and perhaps hold the breath just for a moment or two at the bottom of your exhale. Wherever you're at, do 3 more breaths like this. Stay focused on the breath. If the mind wanders, gently bring it back. Taking your time as you come into that last breath, really savoring it and enjoying it. Now we'll work a little bit more on a conscious pace. So for this first round, you were doing whatever pace felt good for you. For this next round, I'm going to have you inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for about 1 or 2 seconds, a short retention. Then I'm going to have you exhale for 4 seconds. At the end of the exhale, you'll hold your breath again, just a short retention, not too long. So we're getting comfortable with these little breath holds where we really start to tap into that parasympathetic nervous system state. Remember, your exhale is going to relax you and the inhale stimulates us. So we're going to favor our exhale a little bit more. When you're ready, think of the exhale as your first breath. So fully exhale out of the nose or mouth. Inhale through the nose for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. And then exhale out of the nose or the mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale, expand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. Exhale, release. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Inhale, expand 360 degrees. Feel that stretch. Hold at the top. And then slowly exhale out of the nose or out of the mouth. Empty your breath and hold at the bottom. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Hold. 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 Now do 3 more breaths. Find your rhythm. Just taking a gentle inhale with a hold at the top and a gentle exhale with a hold at the bottom. Stay focused on your breath. Don't rush it. Let's do 1 more. When you're done, release the control of your breath. Let your breath be natural. Sometimes those retentions can be a little difficult when you're first getting used to them, But over time, your tolerance of CO2 will expand. You'll get less sensitive to that CO2, and you'll start to feel really good with these gentle retentions. And that's the goal, is to slow down our pattern of over breathing. We are in the habit of overdoing a lot of things, from work to drinking to eating, overdoing thinking. We like to overdo it. We're a species that overdoes it a lot. And so sometimes we overbreathe. We breathe too hard, too fast, or favoring that inhale, short, shallow, quick, rapid breaths throughout the day. And that kind of gets us out of a balance. As you see, the nervous system is so much connected to the breath. Even with every breath, you can emphasize one or the other. So throughout the day, I want you to try to emphasize your exhale. The more you can emphasize your exhale, and the more you have a very gentle, good inhale with that good biomechanics we learned, that 360-degree breath, the more you can do that, a longer exhale and a gentle inhale with the proper biomechanics, the more balanced you're going to feel. Now, this does take time. This isn't like swallowing a pill. It takes a little time and effort. But the more you're connected to the breath, the more you're going to be connected to yourself, to your emotions, to what's going on in your physical body, and therefore more you can connect better with others. So it's a really beautiful practice that I hope you start to incorporate throughout your life. If you need more help with this, which I know I did when I first started with breath work, and so I love coaching people in this practice and in their well-being. If you need a private coach and you have a few more questions, go ahead and sign up for my free 30-minute discovery call. This is a 30-minute coaching call that at this point I'm still able to do completely complimentary for me to meet and connect with people who are trying to overcome stress and anxiety in their life, and they want to establish more healthy habits and patterns, and this is what I love to do. So I've helped hundreds of people decrease their stress and anxiety and implement more wellness practices that really support their health and well-being long-term, and I'd love to help you too. So go ahead and sign up for your 30-minute call, live call, and we will connect. Thank you again for being here. I hope you enjoyed that session. Like and subscribe and breathe well. Welcome to Breathe Well Coaching. We're here to help you connect within from the comfort of your own home, to help you overcome stress and anxiety through guided breath work, mindful meditation, and somatic movement practices like yoga and Pilates. You can also partner with one of our certified health and wellness coaches so that you can make positive, lasting, and sustainable changes in your health and well-being. For more details, check out breathewellcoaching.com.